Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create and add a node to your spaces and projects on Workona. So let us dive into this. So in the first step, guys, navigate to the Workona browser extension, access the space you would like to go with. I will go with this one here. And here at the top, guys, select the Nodes tab. What you want to do next, guys, is click into that field here or into that plus button to add a shared node, or you can create a private node only for yourself, or if you'd like to share one with your space members, for example, you may go with this option here. So let me create a shared node here, and that is going to redirect you to the text field below, so you can type in your text, like for example node 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth. You may also use these text customization, excuse my poor English here, these text customization formatting tools below. They're barely visible, but there are, for example, text formatting tools like creating headings. For example, if I highlight the text and convert it into a heading, heading 2, subheading, or you can create a numbered list, a bulleted list, add quotes, upload images to that node, give it a title here, title 1, and that's it. Here to the right, guys, you will see the paperclip icon. That is going to give you the opportunity to attach file or to link it to your node. You may also remove the node here or open it in the full screen, and that's basically it. That's it. So let me click off here, and as you can see, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.